Hi, my name is Daphne. As the saying goes, start your journey with that first step. This is true. For anyone to go anywhere in life or even out for a walk, it starts with that first step. So, if you don't make the first step, how will the next step follow? So many people are still working long hours, having to commute through horrendous traffic to and from work with unfulfillment and frustration, trading their time for money to pay bills and fulfilling someone else's goals. By the time they get home in the evening, they no longer have any energy left to do the things they wanted to do or spend time with their loved ones. Over time, this will take a toll on their lives, yet they did nothing about it. You see, I don't want to go through my life going through the motions. I want to go through life understanding it is not chasing the happiness. It is about the moments, about the joy, and about understanding what is most important. And for me, it is my family and my freedom of time. But for you, it might be something totally different. Where are you right now in your life's journey? Is it possible, even for one moment, for us to reset where we are, to find content and that joy? Can you get that moment and time back? Do you want to move away from this struggle and live each moment in life with fulfillment? Let me share what I did when I was in that situation, where I too traded my time for money and was left unfulfilled and frustrated. And on returning to Melbourne, I stumbled on a video on YouTube by Tim, who also felt unfulfilled in his career and made a career move from a corporate lawyer to an online business entrepreneur, where he now works for his own goals and write his own paycheck. Tim sent me the same video workshop and I decided to watch them to see if it was a right fit for me. Initially, I was skeptical and unsure where this will take me. But as I started the training, my skepticism soon melted away. If you're willing to learn new things and invest some time to watch the free video workshop, which will be sent to you directly to your mailbox over the next few days, you can see if this is a right fit for you. Don't wait for that perfect moment to do it, because many times we miss opportunities because we waited. So complete your details in the form and I will send you the video workshop daily and directly to your mailbox.